Hello friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams, and I'm just popping in for a quick minute to show you some of the fun goodies that I just got from the Not Too Shabby shop. I took the month of January off from buying like the box of the month from them and the stamp of the month, just because I'm really trying to do my my saying this year or whatever to spend less and create more. So far I'm doing okay, but this month I did go ahead and get the box of the month, which is here, and then I also got this is a sweet, I want it all bundle, Sweet Valentine Wishes, and it was on sale, and I love Crafty Owl's stencils, so I got that. And then I really thought this paper was super cool, so I added that on. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through things. I know the box of the month is already sold out, but I know some of the things are available individually. So I just thought I would show you real quick what I got. And I do see on the website at the time of filming this that the Sweet Valentine Wishes I Want It All bundle is still available and is on sale. So if you want it, you want to go on over there and grab it up. So again, this is the Bokeh Love paper that I got, slimline paper, and I just thought that was so neat. I don't really have very many Valentine-y type or even love type papers, but I thought this would be versatile for all kinds of different things. There was a package of fun sequins just extra in there. And then this is that Sweet Valentine Wishes I Want It All bundle. And in it, it has the Lots of Love background stencil that's designed by Call Me Crafty Owl. So I thought that was super cute. I did get the dies with this because I do like that it cuts out the sentiments, and this had some fun sentiments. So I got the dies as well as the stamp set, which is Sweet Valentine. Lots of fun things there. Comes with this fun paper, Sweet Valentine Wishes, and then the ephemera that has some gnomes, and it just looks like it'll be super cute. For the box of the month, like I said, this is already sold out, but I do see some of the things are listed individually, so you could go on over there and pick up a few of the items. So in the box of the month, a sweet goodie, some sequins, the business card. There's this gorgeous Tinkerbell sequin mix. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to use it. It's from Cat Scrappiness, as well as an embellishment tray, which I just recently got one of these, and I'm glad to have a second one. They come in super handy. The bunny ears paper, which just looks like a ton of fun. The Spring Is Here paper, which is really neat colors with those purples and yellows. Another stencil from Call Me Crafty Owl. This is Spring Borders, and I really like that this you can kind of mix and match. And there's some examples on the back of how you could use the stencil. And I do believe this is one of the things that is available individually, so you might want to definitely check that out. Some ephemera, and then these cute gnomes. I thought they were so cute. The set's called All Ears. And then I think this is another one that is available individually. This beautiful bunny. I cannot wait to use that. I think that is such a gorgeous stamp. Has some neat sentiments with it. So I'm excited to get creating with this. I am really trying, I think I mentioned in my Saturday showcase, trying to get caught up. I got a little bit behind when I was sick, and Craft and Kemi's releases this week, and I have 1,001 ideas in my head. So I am crafting like crazy behind the scenes, and I can't wait to dig into this. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day. And until my next video, go get crafty.